If your Namecheap domain suddenly stopped resolving, or you're dealing with what looks like a DNS outage, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix a Namecheap DNS issue, check your name servers, verify your records, and rule out local DNS problems on your device. This is one of those fixes that can save you a lot of time, especially if your website or email is down and you need answers fast. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, go to your domain list. This is where you'll see every domain connected to your account, and it's the best place to begin when a domain is not resolving properly. Find the affected domain and click Manage. This opens the settings for that specific domain, where you can check DNS and name server configuration. Now look for the Nameservers section. This is one of the most important parts of the entire fix, because if the wrong name server setting is selected, your domain may not point to the right place at all. If you're using Namecheap DNS, make sure you have Namecheap Basic DNS selected. If you're using Namecheap Hosting, choose Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. And if you're using another DNS provider, make sure Custom DNS is selected instead. After that, verify that the name servers are entered correctly. Even a small typo here can cause the domain to stop resolving, so double check everything carefully. Next, go to Advanced DNS. This is where your DNS records are managed, and this section controls how your domain connects to your website, email, and other services. Check your A record, name record, MX records, and TXT records. The A record should point to the correct IP address provided by your host. The name record should match the destination your provider gave you. Your MX records should be set correctly if you use email through your domain, and TXT records should also match whatever your provider requires, especially for verification and email authentication. Make sure every record matches the settings provided by your hosting provider or email provider exactly. If anything is wrong, edit the record and save the change. Take your time here, because a single incorrect value can keep your domain from loading properly. Once your DNS settings are corrected, save any required changes. After that, give the domain a little time to update. DNS changes do not always happen instantly, and in many cases they need time to propagate across the internet. If the problem still continues after you've checked Namecheap, test the domain using a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue is not with the domain itself, but with the browser cache or your current device. If that doesn't help, try connecting through a different network, such as mobile data. This can help you figure out whether the problem is related to your local internet connection or a wider DNS issue. If the domain works on another network, that's a strong sign the issue may be local on your computer or router. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.